Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Bluesound Pulse M and I'm going to show you how to send support request if you have a problem with your speaker. Let's get started. So first we have to open our BlueOS app and then go to our settings with clicking this gear icon over there. After that we have to scroll all the way down and click send support request. Now we can enter subject, email address, our phone number, our name, and we have to describe our problem. After that we have to choose our country, there's a lot of them, and after that we have to click send request. And that's it. Hope it helps. Like and subscribe for the videos, and goodbye.